Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM and today we're going to discuss English 3 Quarter 2 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Degrees of Comparison, Adjective. Let's look at the learning competencies. First, identify words with different functions. Number 2, words that describe persons, places, things, animals, events, ideas, and emotions, which are the describing words or adjectives. And identify roots of high-frequency words, but for this topic, we're just going to focus on adjectives. Now, here are the objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify words with different functions, adjective, identify roots of high-frequency words, adjective, write the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of adjective, and participate actively in class. Let's have a review. Let me ask you, what is an adjective? Very good. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. That means it tells us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, let's identify the adjectives. A blue car. Very good. The adjective is blue. Blue tells us the color of the car. Number 2, a tall building. Where's the adjective? Good job. It's tall. Tall tells us the size of the building. This time, let's proceed to our topic, degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison shows how much or to what level something has equality. There are 3 degrees of comparison. First is the positive degree. It describes one thing without comparing. For example, the dog is fast. As you can see, we only describes one thing, which is the dog. Number 2, comparative degree. It compares two things. For example, the dog is faster than the cat. As you can see, we compare the dog and the cat. And lastly, we have the superlative degree. It compares more than two things. For example, the dog is the fastest of all. As you can see, we compare the dog to all the animals. Here are the list of examples for the degrees of comparison. We have the positive, comparative, and superlative degree. We have sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Large, larger, largest. Big, bigger, biggest. If you are wondering about how to form the comparative and superlative degrees of comparison, you can check our video about the rules in forming the comparison of adjectives. Just click the link in the description box or in the comment section below. This time, let's move on to the application. Let's read the directions. Let's complete the chart on the next slide by giving the correct degrees of comparison of adjectives. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now, let's answer. Here is our chart. We have the positive, comparative, and superlative. Let's answer number 1. In positive degree, we have fast. So the comparative degree of fast is faster, very good. And the superlative degree is fastest. Number 2, as you can see, the positive degree of the word is missing. But we have the clue in comparative, it's prettier, and superlative is prettiest. So the positive degree is good job, it's pretty. Number 3, in positive degree, we have slow, comparative, slower, and the superlative is awesome, slowest. How about number 4? At positive degree, we have dark. The missing is the comparative degree. It will be very good, darker. And the superlative is darkest. And for number 5, at positive degree, we have hot, comparative, hotter, and the superlative is awesome, hottest. Now let's move on to generalization. What is an adjective? Very good. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. That means it tells us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. What are the degrees of comparison? Awesome. We have the positive degree, which describes one thing without comparing. Next is the comparative degree, which compares two things. And the superlative degree, which compares more than two things. This time, let's proceed to the evaluation. Let's read the directions. Box the correct form of adjective to complete the sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now, let's answer. Number 1. The cake is sweet, sweeter, sweetest. The correct answer is sweet. The cake is sweet. Number 2. Leia is tall, taller, tallest than Anna. The correct answer is taller. Leia is taller than Anna. Number 3. Among the boys, Justin is the smaller, smallest. The correct answer is smallest. Among the boys, Justin is the smallest. Number 4. Today is cloudy, cloudier, cloudiest than yesterday. The correct answer is cloudier. Today is cloudier than yesterday. And number 5, the roses in the garden are lovely, lovelier, loveliest. The correct answer is lovely. The roses in the garden are lovely. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3 Quarter 2 of the revised K-12 curriculum, and it's all about degrees of comparison adjective. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.